What happens if you say one Buddhist phrase every day for just 7 days? Most people feel calmer by day 1, more focused by day 2. By day 7, they say life feels different. The phrase is Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. It's only 7 words, but it can change how you feel inside and how life responds on the outside. In this video, we'll walk through what happens day by day when you chant it, even if you're new, even if you're unsure, even if you only try for 1 minute a day. Let's begin. Today is your first day. You sit down, you take a deep breath, you say the words, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. Maybe it feels a little strange, maybe your voice sounds soft, maybe you feel silly. That's okay. This is your first try. You're planting a seed, and even though you can't see it yet, that seed is waking up. You might feel something in your chest, a tiny bit lighter, or heavier, or still. It's like turning on a small light in a dark room. Just a little glow, but enough to see something real is here. Even if your mind says, is this working? Even if you feel unsure, don't stop. Your voice just made a cause, and that cause is powerful. You've started something good. Today you hit the subscribe button and like this video, and tomorrow we keep going. Today is your second day. You sit down again. You say the words, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. The words feel a little easier now. Your mouth moves with more rhythm. Your breath slows down. Your shoulders feel less tight. Something is changing. You feel calm, like sitting by a quiet lake. And inside your heart, it feels like a whisper says, thank you for coming back. Sometimes, old feelings may rise. You might feel sad or even cry a little. That's okay too. Your heart is speaking, not with words, but with feelings. And you are listening. That's what makes this practice so strong. It doesn't just help your mind, it helps your whole self, heart, body, spirit. You're not just chanting, you're learning how to feel safe inside. Let's keep going. It's day 3. You sit down again, you take a deep breath. You say the words, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. Something feels different today, not just inside your heart, but in how you see things. You begin to notice stuff, little things you used to miss. Maybe you notice the way you get upset easily, or how you always try to be perfect. Maybe you remember something from long ago. These are called patterns. They are like footsteps you keep walking again and again. But today, you see those footsteps. However, you say, hey, I've been doing this for a long time. And just like that, you are not stuck anymore. Because when you see a pattern, you can change it. And guess what? You don't have to be scared of it. It's just old energy. And now it's waking up. You're not just chanting anymore. You're learning who you are and where you've been. That's real courage. Do you also have the courage to visit our Nichiren store with the bestseller, the Da Vinci Lotus, with the Daimoku wrapped around it, mixed with the Gongyo? Get it today. Link is in the description. Pinned comment or tab the label in the top corner now. It's day 4. You sit down to chant again. You know what to do now. You say the words, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. Your voice is a little stronger, your back is straighter, your heart feels steady. Life is still happening all around you. School, chores, people, noise. But today, it doesn't shake you so much. A small problem shows up, but you don't panic. You take a breath. You stay calm. That's called strength. You're not trying to be perfect, you're just learning to stay true, even when things get messy. And guess what? You sleep better tonight. Not because you're tired, but because your heart feels peaceful. Today, you didn't run from your feelings. You stood with them. That's what it means to be strong inside. It's day 5. You sit down to chant like always. You say the words, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. But something amazing is happening now. Life is starting to answer you. Maybe someone says something kind to you. Maybe a little problem suddenly goes away. Maybe a new idea pops into your head like a spark. It's like the world is saying, I see you. I hear you. Keep going. You don't feel confused about what to do today. You make choices more easily. You feel clear, like your heart knows where it wants to go. You even smile at things that used to bother you. That's because your life is starting to change on the outside and the inside. You are not just hoping anymore. You are seeing real things shift. This is not magic. It's cause and effect. You made the cause, and now life is answering back. It's day 6. You sit down again, you say the words, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. Something is different now. Even when the day gets hard, you stay calm. Maybe someone yells, maybe plans change, maybe you feel nervous for no reason. But inside, you are quiet, like a tree in the middle of strong wind. It bends, but it doesn't break. You don't run away from your feelings. You don't hide your voice. You speak kindly. You breathe deeply. That's not just calm. That's power. You're not scared of the storm anymore because you are the calm. And guess what? Other people can feel it too. When you change, the space around you changes. What also changes if you become a member of our YouTube community. Click the join button below or link in the description. It's day 7. You sit down one more time. You say the words, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. But today, something is different. You don't chant just to feel better. You chant because it feels right, like brushing your teeth, like saying thank you. It's part of your life now. You feel love in your heart, even if nothing special happened. You want to help others. You want to be kind. You want to shine, not to be seen, but to light the way for someone else. You feel like the real you is waking up. And guess what? The real you is strong, kind, brave, and full of light. You are shining, just like the sun. And it all started with 7 small words. Comment the small words Daimoku in the comment section. Now it's your turn. Try this. Chant Nam Myoho Renge Kyo every day for 7 days, even if it's only for 1 minute, even if you're not sure how you feel. Just say the words with your heart. Each day, write 1 sentence in a notebook. Something like, I felt calm today, or I cried a little, or nothing changed but I still chanted. It doesn't matter what you write. Just notice what happens inside you. You are planting seeds, and seeds grow when you care for them. Little by little, day by day. So are you ready? Then say this out loud. I'm starting today. And if you want, you can comment that too. I'm going to answer a few questions. What if I don't feel anything when I chant? That's okay. Some flowers grow fast. Some grow slow. Even if you don't feel anything now, your heart is still listening. Keep chanting. Your light is growing inside, even if you can't see it yet. Do I need to believe in Buddhism to chant? Nope. Chanting works for anyone. It's not about belief. It's about trying. You don't need to join anything. You're just being you. That's enough. What should I chant for? Anything. You can chant to feel better. You can chant for your dreams. You can chant when you're scared. Your heart will tell you what matters most. Is it okay to chant for only 5 minutes? Yes. 5 minutes is great. Even 1 minute is powerful if it comes from your heart. What matters most is doing it every day. Even just a little bit helps your life grow strong. Can I chant if I feel sad or upset? Yes. Chanting can help you feel safe. But if you're very, very sad or scared, talk to someone too. A friend, a parent, a teacher. Chanting is one way to feel better. But you're never alone. If you want to understand the true meaning behind the words you've been chanting, watch this next video, The True Meaning of Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. It's the easiest explanation ever, and it might open your heart even more.